to make epic videos? Well, I got you. Just watch this video. Today I am using two apps, iMovie and InShot. I am using two apps because the text on iMovie is poopy and goes off the screen. Now start recording whatever you need to for your epic video. Now go to InShot and create a video. Select the video that you need. Now add whatever text you need for your epic video. After you do that, save the video and it should go to your photos. Now, go to iMovie and create a movie. Use the one that you just edited on InShot. I suggest you zoom up in the video, that way nobody has to see the damn watermark. To add your own sound effects or music, go to YouTube and search it up. As you are watching the video, you must screen record. Now, to add your music or sound effects, press on the footage. Now, press the plus up on the right. Click video. Press on the music that you just recorded. Now, press on the three dots. Press audio only. Here's the video. If you want to know how to put a computerized voice like me, keep watching. First, download an app called Speak For Me. Obviously open the app. Type whatever you want to say in your video. Now press share. Use whatever voice you want. I like using Daniel UK. Now press share. Share it to iMovie. Select the project you are using. Now, this is obviously not where I want the audio to be. So I will delete it. Now, I go to where I want it to be. Press the plus again, and press audio. Press my music. Press imported. Now select the audio. Sorry if all this other audio is distracting. Here it is. Hello. Anyways, that is all for today. Like and subscribe for more videos.